Today we're going to be looking at Alondra hand soap and how to use it properly. So to begin, you're going to want to get your hands wet because putting the soap directly into dry hands is not nearly as effective. So after you give them a quick rinse, go ahead and turn the water off and pour a little hand soap into your hand directly. And then rub it in to your hands for 20 seconds, lathering it on to all parts of your hand, as well as your fingers, fingertips, in between them, being sure to spread it as evenly as possible. And then rinse underwater. And that's it.